Momo Moon, Momo Moon. Hi everyone, I'm Momo Moon. Welcome to my kitchen. Oh look, the numbers are coming, and they are so hungry. Can you help me feed them? Let's go! Walking through the kitchen, what do I see? Number 1 is waiting, hungry as can be. One red apple, round and sweet. Number 1 is ready for a treat. Count them up, feed them all. Big numbers, short numbers, and the tall. 1, 2, 3, let's see who's next. Feeding the numbers is the best. Look over there, who's coming through? It's a happy friend, it's number 2. 2 yellow bananas, 1 and 2. Number 2 is hungry, just like you. Round and round, look and see. Juggling berries, it's number 3. 1, 2, 3, strawberries, sweet and red. Keep them coming, number 3 said. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3. You're doing great. Knocking on the door, it's number 4. He's looking for snacks, he wants some more. 4 crunchy carrots, snap and pop. Once he starts, he just can't stop. Count them up, feed them all. Big numbers, short numbers, and the tall. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's see who's next. Feeding the numbers is the best. Whoa, you are so good at this. But look, the big numbers are coming. They have big bellies. High five, everyone, give a little cheer. Number 5 is finally here. 5 golden cupcakes, oh so sweet. Number 5 thinks they're a super treat. Rolling down the hill, having so much fun. Number 6 is here, let's count everyone. 6 juicy oranges rolling on the floor. Number 6 is happy, he doesn't want more. Shaking like a leaf, dancing in the sun. Number 7 says counting is for everyone. 7 purple grapes, tiny and round. Munch them up without a sound. Count them up, feed them all. Big numbers, short numbers, and the tall. 5, 6, 7, who's next in line? Feeding the numbers is feeling so fine. We're almost there. Look, number 8 is rolling in like a big snowball. Round and round, he's never late. Say hello to number 8. 8 chocolate cookies, crunch, crunch, crunch. He's eating them all for his morning lunch. Floating high like a cloud so fine. Here comes our friend, number 9. 9 sweet peaches, soft and gold. The tastiest story ever told. And now, the biggest number of them all. Are you ready? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Standing tall, looking grand, and then make some noise for number 10. 10 yummy donuts with sprinkles on top. Once we reach 10, we never want to stop. Count them up, we fed them all. Big numbers, short numbers, and the tall. From 1 to 10, we had so much fun. Momo Moon's counting is second to none. Wow, you did it. Every number is happy and full. You are the best helper ever. See you next time for more counting fun.